Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tastefully Balanced. I'm Miriam and happy May. It is officially my birthday month. Cannot believe it, time is flying by, and I figured this month I would share pasta recipes. Pasta seems to be flying off the shelf, and I get it, it's easy to whip up and it's shelf stable, so you could keep it around for a while. I figured I would start the month off with making a really easy chickpea pasta with corn and zucchini. It's super simple, really easy, but full of flavor. So if you guys love pasta recipes, please subscribe and keep watching. All right, welcome back. So the first thing I'm doing is heating up a pan right here. It's a little too hot, but I added some avocado oil to it. And now I'm gonna add a little bit of onions. I've got some garlic over here. And then this is a jalapeno that I have de-seeded. Add that in. And I'm gonna fry this up for just about 3 to 4 minutes. All right, that looks perfect. So now I'm gonna add in my tomatoes. And I have kind of quartered these grape tomatoes. It's roughly about a cup. And I'm gonna fry this up until it's mostly melted. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's ready. All right, you can see at the bottom of the pan, a lot of it is sticking. The tomatoes are nicely charred and then they're almost getting very melty. So at this point, I'm gonna add in my zucchini that I've chopped up really small. And then I'm also going to add at this point a can of sweet corn. All right, I'm gonna fry this up for another 3 to 5 minutes. All right, so it's actually been about 5 to 6 minutes, but I like it at this point. The vegetables still kind of have like a crunch to it. It's not completely melted or soft. And so now I'm gonna add in just a few more ingredients. So I've got half a cup of marinara sauce. This is just the Trader Joe's one. If you have homemade, use that. If you have jarred, use that. Okay, and then for seasoning, super simple. Just some salt, pepper, and then a little bit of Italian seasoning. And then I've got a tiny bit of pasta water. So this is the water that was cooking with the pasta. I just reserved a little bit of it. So I'm just gonna add a little bit to thin it out. All right, everything's all nice and mixed. So now I have some of the Bonza chickpea pasta, so a little bit healthier. Got more protein than regular pasta because it's made out of chickpeas. So I'm gonna add that in and give it a good toss. All right, that looks perfect. You would taste for salt and pepper, add any if you want. Usually I like to top this off with a little bit of basil, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna use a little bit of cilantro because that is what I have on hand. And that is it. That is your super easy, fresh pasta. So I'm gonna do a taste test. Look at all that. Lots of veggies in this. Okay, I'm gonna blow on this, let it cool down a little bit, and then I'll do a taste test. This pasta dish seems super simple, but I don't know what it is. It's a mix, I think, of the corn and the tiny pieces of zucchini that you cut up. It's got a good crunch to it, a nice sweetness. The onions and the tomatoes are just nice and caramelized. So this is really delicious. I like to kind of have it on the side of some sort of meat dish or meat substitute dish, and then it's good. It's a full rounded meal. So if you guys love easy pasta recipes, please comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, live life tastefully balanced.